And there you have it, the orange syrup and the candied orange peel. Hi folks, and welcome to Spirit Rituals. In my previous video, I showed you all how to make candied orange peel. And I get a lot of comments and questions asking if it's edible. Well, it is surely edible, but those peel were made with an intention for garnish. It has some strong flavors and essential oils which are too heavy on the palate if consumed without alcohol. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make candied orange peels just for the purpose of eating. And simultaneously, I'm also gonna show you how to make orange syrup. Start off by cutting the orange and taking out the peel. So start with cutting the top and the bottom of the orange like we did in the previous video. Then cut the orange peel. Once we get the peel, it has to look like this. And the next step is to get the extra fibrous part trimmed off. So for that, we're gonna be just place this peel facing upwards, then press it with the fingers and put a slit on the top. Well, this might seem difficult in the start, but once you keep doing it, you'll get a hang of it. The only thing we require is the zest, nice and clean. Cut juliennes of that. So those will be the fine strips. So we have the orange peel ready out here. Now we have to cook them. So we'll take a pan on a medium flame. Measure the water that you are adding because we're gonna be adding sugar as well. So it's gonna be 2:1 ratio. So I'm using 2 small glasses of water. So as the water starts to simmer, we're gonna be adding the orange peels into the water. Now we squeeze half a lime juice. Add 5 to 6 cloves to it, as I like to get it much more flavorful. And then we come behind with the sugar. So now it's cooked. We're gonna be switching off the pan and put it on a plate to cool down. Look at the nice yellow color. Sprinkle some sugar on it. These are already sweet, but we just need a coating of sugar. And meanwhile, the orange syrup is also getting cooled down. So now we're gonna be placing it on a aluminum foil. Just spread it evenly. Place it in the oven at the lowest possible temperature. For me, I'm putting it on 170 Fahrenheit. The orange peels are partially dehydrated. We're gonna be sprinkling some more sugar to it, just a little bit, and allow it to air dry for another half an hour. And there you have it, the orange syrup and the candied orange peel. These are the ones we made today, and this is from the previous video. If you want to see how we made this, please click on the link in the bio and let's taste the ones we made today. Delicious.